Our replacement-compatible CF217A cartridge solution used in the Hewlett-Packard Laserjet Pro M102 and related printers had a special road to release. It was the first time HP used a unique combination of both color and monochrome technology. Our replacement-compatible CF217A cartridge features a roller that works as both a magnetic roller and a developer roller, and also features a special lubricating powder to make sure it does not stick to the doctor blade. If the roller and the blade got stuck, the cartridge would start to show some significant print defects. Through rigorous research and development, a unique hybrid roller and powder solution was created, delivering excellent performance. This compatible cartridge provides consistent OEM comparable print performance throughout the life of the cartridge and delivers 1,600 pages. For more information, visit our website or contact your sales representative today.